Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for the Bluetooth, also known as MyLink, on that GMC Terrain, guys, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Before we start, if you have problems with it, do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video, because it could be quite simple fix. And by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. For the Bluetooth, also known as the MyLink system, guys, we will explain where you can expect to find the fuses and relays. Quick advice from us: 9 out of 10 owners of that GMC Terrain do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. What we guys need to do now, we need to open the front right door, the passenger side door, come to the inside. On the side of the center console here, you see we have a cover. Pull that cover, and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you will lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And guys, what we need to check here, up to 3 different fuses. You may have all of them, or you may have 2 depending on the year, model and configuration. Now, one of them will be fuse number 5, if you have checked that one. Then you go to fuse number 9, which is, by the way, for your infotainment system. If you have problems with the Bluetooth, the MyLink not working, you may need to pull that fuse, let the system reset for 10 minutes, put it back in, see if that fixes the problem. And then you have the main fuse for the MyLink, which is known as fuse number 33. That's 29, 31, 2, 3, 33, right here. That fuse will be the one that you will guys need to check. You don't have any relays, you just have these fuses that are known as relay fuses. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.